to do that. This is the second question which I shared in the group yesterday. So please go through the question once again. Did you try to do this one?
No.
You want. So the task for you is to prepare the statement of changes in working capital. Now itself you have to prepare, please. Before that, let us see the items which will be recorded in that statement of changes in working capital. Share capital, yes or no?
No.
For debentures,
No.
P&L account,
No.
general reserve,
No.
creditors,
Yes.
proposed dividend,
No.
provision for tax.
No.
Only one liability. And while coming to asset side, buildings,
No.
machinery,
No.
short-term investments,
Yes.
inventories,
Yes. Yes.
debtors,
Yes.
cash at bank,
Yes.
prepaid expense.
Yes.
Yes, that is also a current asset, right? So with these items, one liability and 5 current assets, can you just prepare a statement of changes in working capital?
Yes.
Do it. Is it raining in your places?
Yes, sir.
Heavy rain?
Yes,
Which place?
sir, in Chagana City.
Here also it is heavy downpours. If current assets increases, working capital will increase. Current liability increases, working capital reduces. Please don't forget that.
ചുളുവിന്
What? I think today onwards, tourist spots are opening, right? ആണോ പേപ്പർ വായിക്കാറുണ്ടോ?
Yes.
And beaches will be open from November 1st. Please be safe. Don't run. COVID has not yet receded. All of you are doing this? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
ചേഞ്ചസ് എത്ര സാർ?
Eh?
ആൻസർ എത്രയാ? 1,10,000 ആണോ?
Yes. 1,10,000 increase or decrease?
ഇൻക്രീസ്.
Yes, that's it. All of you got? Or one time? 2 minutes more.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay. You people are so lucky. പറഞ്ഞപ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ട്രെയിനിങ് മാറ്റി, പ്ലേസ്മെന്റ് ട്രെയിനിങ് മാറ്റി, കറണ്ട് ഇഷ്യൂ മാറ്റി. വേറെന്താ വേണ്ടത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക്? Now you should not say anything, okay? ആണോ?
സാർ അത് ഓൺലൈൻ മാത്രമല്ലേ ഉള്ളൂ, കോളേജിൽ നിന്നൊന്നും മാറ്റത്തില്ലല്ലോ.
കോളേജിൽ വന്നാൽ നമുക്ക് 6 to 8 ക്ലാസ് ഒക്കെ കാണും. പക്ഷെ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി എൻജോയബിൾ, സീരിയസ്ലി. അത് നിങ്ങളെ ശരിക്കും ഒരു മെമ്മറീസ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. അത് really, we have n number of activities now. We were not able to conduct all of them due to this online things. അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നു ശരിക്കും. You are really missing the place. Let us hope we'll be able to see by December or January.
Sir, 6 to 8 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു, മാറിപ്പോയില്ലല്ലോ.
എങ്ങനെ?
6 to 8 എന്നാ സാർ പറഞ്ഞത്.
68
അല്ല, കോളേജ് തുടങ്ങി 6 to 8
6 to 8, 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock വൈകിട്ട്.
ഉച്ചവരെ ക്ലാസ്സും അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് എന്തോ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ്, വൈകിട്ട് GD ട്രെയിനിങ് എന്നൊക്കെ.
അതെ, യെസ് യെസ് യെസ്.
ഫസ്റ്റ് സെമ്മി വൈകുന്നേരം ക്ലാസ് ഇല്ലെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു.
ആരാ പറഞ്ഞ?
ടിങ്കു സാർ.
ഓക്കെ, സോറി.
6 to 8 നോർമൽ ക്ലാസ് ആണോ?
6 to 8 ചില ദിവസം ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ടാവും, ചില ടൈമിൽ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ്.
ഓക്കെ. അപ്പൊ നമ്മള് രാവിലെ തൊട്ട് വൈകിട്ട് ഒരു യൂണിഫോം ഇടണോ?
രാവിലെ തൊട്ട് 4 o'clock till 4 o'clock you can wear uniform, and 6 to 8 casuals. Saturdays also casuals. ചായ കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞ് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി ആന്റി. ചായ കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞ് കുടിച്ചാൽ മതി നിങ്ങൾ. ഇപ്പോഴാണ് ചായ കുടിക്കുന്നത്. I suggest you people to get up at 6 or 6:30 in the morning. After that you can have breakfast at 7:30, no?
No sir.
Why?
Impossible. It's impossible.
It should be possible.
No, sir.
എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കാൻ ഏറ്റവും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട അവർ ഏതാ? 8:30 and 9:45 is also okay, but 11 and 12, no, it is hectic.
ഇതിപ്പോ ശീലമായിപ്പോ സാർ. മാസങ്ങളായിട്ട് ഈ ഒരു താമസിച്ചെണീറ്റ്
കോളേജിൽ വന്നാൽ ചവിട്ടി ഞാൻ എണീപ്പിക്കും ഹോസ്റ്റലിൽ.
സാറിലെ വാർഡൻ.
I'll be there, and Father Sibi will be there. Professor Bibin sir will also be there. In the morning we have 6 AM club.
Sir, girls India.
Other sisters will be there.
സാറൊക്കെയാണോ രാവിലെ വന്ന് എണീപ്പിക്കുന്നതോ? നമുക്ക് സൗകര്യം പോലെ.
അതിന്റെയും കൂടി ഒരു കുറവേ ഉള്ളൂ എനിക്ക്. So yes, what is the answer? 1,10,000 everyone got. After this we can discuss. Okay, 1,10,000.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please read these additional information or adjustments. What is that first one? Debentures were redeemed at a premium of 10%. What does it mean?
Purchase of debentures.
See, what is this word?
Redeem.
So debentures were redeemed at a premium of 10% means the shareholders were given 10% premium while redeeming that. So regarding that, I'll talk about that adjustment first. So what is the amount of debentures over here? What is the redemption amount? 14% debentures.
Yes.
Yes. What is that? How much? What is the redemption amount actually?
2 lakh.
2 lakhs. 6 lakh minus 4 lakh. It is 2 lakh, right? Where do you write this 2 lakh? Earlier, where did we write something about redemption or issue?
So
Fund
Fund flow statement. Fund flow statement, application of fund, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 2 lakh rupees is the redemption amount, and in the adjustment, it is saying that it is redeemed at a premium of 10%. It means that 10% more amount will be credited to shareholders. What is that 10%? Based on the redemption amount. Redemption amount is the base. What is the
2 lakh.
10%? How much?
2
What is the
lakh
amount?
into 20.
How much?
2 lakh into 10%.
Yes. Redemption is for 2 lakh and it is for premium 10%. Simple. What is the premium?
20,000.
20,000. Simple. What is the, first of all, you have to find out the redemption amount and find out the premium on that amount. Here redemption amount is 2 lakh and premium 10%, that will be 2 lakh into 10 by 100, that is 20,000 rupees. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
10% is the premium. What is the based on the redemption amount? Redemption amount here it is 6 lakh minus 4 lakh. It is 2 lakh. 2 lakh plus 20,000 will be the total redemption. So in fund flow statement, redemption of debentures, what is the amount you write? 2 lakh or 2 lakh 20,000?
2 lakh
Simple,
20,000.
Exactly. 2 lakh 20,000 you will be writing, because you should include the premium also. Premium also is a cash and which is also an outflow. Okay. You have to understand that it is basically redemption only, but premium means some more amount they are giving to the shareholders. That is why premium is also added. So in fund flow statement application, 2 lakh 20,000 or 2 lakh?
2 lakh 20,000.
2 lakh 20,000. And what is the role of that 20,000 in some other place also it will be recorded. Simple.
Adjusted P&L.
Adjusted P&L account. Okay. That is a adjustment for redemption at a premium. Now come to second adjustment. Tax paid during the year amounted rupees 1,40,000. So we have to prepare something. No, what is that?
Separate account for provision for taxation.
Exactly. We have to prepare separate account for provision for taxation. One account is set. So one account we have to prepare provision for tax. And coming to third adjustment. Yes, this adjustment is not similar to the adjustment we have seen in the previous problem. So which account should be prepared for third adjustment?
Machinery.
Machinery account. So we have to prepare two separate small accounts for certain adjustments. Is it clear? First of all, just identify how many accounts we have to prepare. In this question, we have to prepare 2 accounts, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
2
sir.
accounts. And yes, 1 second. What is the amount? It's 1,10,000, no?
Yes, sir.
1,10,000. Let it be here. I hope during this juncture, you will be able to prepare a statement of changes in working capital, right? At least you have to know that you will be fetching 50% of the marks if you are not able to follow this one. Yes. So shall we prepare? What is the next procedure? Adjusted P&L account or small accounts we have to prepare first?
First of all, the opening and closing balance of.
That means adjusted P&L account or tax account and machinery account. Either prepare.
Adjust.
Tax account and machinery account.
Yeah, we can start with that. No issue. One second.
Okay.
Yes. So we'll start by doing machinery account. Close your eyes and start with
Opening balance.
Opening.
balance brought down and balance carried down. Tell me the amount.
5 lakh and 7 lakh 20,000.
5 lakh 7 lakh 20,000, right?
Yes, sir.
See, in the last problem, what was the adjustment regarding asset?
Depreciation.
Only depreciation. Okay. What did we do? We wrote here depreciation, and the balancing figure was what? Profit on sale, loss on sale, purchase or sale of asset.
Purchase or sale.
Purchase or sale of asset. But this adjustment regarding the machinery is somewhat a little bit different. I'll just explain it to you. Here, they are not saying about what? They are not saying about what?
Depreciation.
Depreciation. Alle? Depreciation പറ്റി എവിടെയെങ്കിലും പറയുന്നുണ്ടോ?
No.
They are not telling anything about depreciation. So what would be the balancing figure here?
Profit or
No.
loss on sale.
Which is not given? What is not given here regarding the asset?
Depreciation.
So what will be the balancing figure?
Depreciation.
Depreciation only. So before that, we have a small hidden transaction inside this statement itself. Can you read that statement? A machine? Yeah, please. Yes. Read.
A machine which appeared at a WDV of rupees 80,000
Was
sold.
sold for 1,30,000.
30,000.
Stop it there. Okay. So what is this WDV?
Written down.
Written down value. Basically,
Written
they
down
are
value.
saying that the value of a machinery, the worth rupees 80,000 machinery was sold for 1,30,000. Understand it in simple terms. And 10,000 രൂപയുള്ള machinery, they sold it for 1,30,000. What is the hidden adjustment here? What is the hidden adjustment in these two amounts, between these two amounts?
Profit.
Profit on sale of asset.
Profit ano loss ano?
Profit.
Yes.
Profit അല്ല.
It is profit only, because 80,000 value asset was sold for 1,30,000. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the
Yes, sir.
profit?
50,000.
50,000.
50,000. Clear? 50,000 it is there. So let me. So what are the two things which we should record? First one, see, what is this? What is this?
Sale.
Where should we write that?
Sale of machinery.
Where shall we write that? Machinery? Debit or credit?
Debit side.
Debit ആണോ? മറന്നുപോയോ? Sale എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ machinery കുറയും. Asset decrease, credit. So what is that? Sale of machine. What is the what is the amount? 80,000 or 1,30,000?
1,30,000.
80,000.
അല്ലല്ലോ, 80,000 ആക്ച്വൽ വാല്യൂ അല്ലേ? അത് എത്രക്കാ ശരിക്കും കൊടുത്തത്?
1,30,000.
1,30,000. So we have to write 1,30,000. And one more thing we have to write in this one. What is this?
Profit.
Profit.
50,000. Profit on,
Sale of
where should we write that?
Debit side.
Debit side. Profit on sale. How much? 50,000. Is it over?
no. A
What is the
new
sec-
machine.
New machine worth rupees 3,60,000 was acquired. That means,
Purchase of new machinery.
so where we have to write debit or credit?
Debit side.
Debit.
Purchase. What is the rate? 3 lakh
3 lakh 60.
60,000. Any other items? Any other items?
No.
So I'll just explain it once again. In this question, they were stating that 80,000 worth rupees machinery was sold for 1,30,000. That means we have 50,000 rupees profit on sale. That is a notion that you have to know. 50,000 will be the profit on sale. So what are the items that you have to write? First of all, balance, opening balance and closing balance while preparing the any account. Debit side opening balance, credit side closing balance for asset account. Then you have to come to the adjustments and see, yeah, something was sold. See, machinery was sold for 1,30,000. So come to the account and write sale of machinery on the credit side, 1,30,000, the actual amount of sales. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Actual amount of sales. Then if there is any profit or loss regarding the transaction, here in this case, we have 50,000 profit. So we have to write it on the debit side of the machinery account. If it was loss, where will we record?
Credit.
Credit side of the machinery. Yes. So we have mentioned that. Now again come to the adjustments and see what is the next one. And new machines worth rupees 360 were acquired during the year. That means purchase of machinery. So you will be writing it on the debit side of the machinery account. So after that, if there is nothing, we can try to balance this. And what is the balancing figure? What is that actually? Depreciation. What is the total amount? Which side is more? Debit side? Right. Yeah, what is the amount?
9,10,000.
9,10,000. So what is the balancing figure?
60,000.
Balancing figure, it is 60,000. What is this?
Depreciation.
Depreciation. So this is all about machinery account. Now come to provision for tax. What is the adjustment? What is the
Tax.
adjustment?
Tax paid during the
Only
1
tax
lakh.
paid. So while preparing provision for tax account, start with opening balance and closing balance. Provision for tax, asset or liability?
Liability.
So opening balance will appear in
Credit.
credit side. Balance brought down, balance carried down. Amount
1 lakh and 1,30,000.
1 lakh and 1,30,000. What is the adjustment?
Tax paid.
So cash. What is this? Application. How much?
1,40,000.
40,000. So we will be getting a balancing figure. Yeah, please balance. Which side is more? 1 plus 1? 2,70,000. 2,70,000. And balancing figure is 1,70,000. Is it clear?
Yes.
And what is this balancing figure? It will be transferred to
Adjusted P&L.
adjusted P&L account. Yes. Any other accounts to be prepared?
No.
What is the next process?
Adjusted P&L.
Adjusted P&L account. Yes. What is the first process to prepare adjusted P&L account?
Profit.
Net profit carried.
You can start with opening balance and closing balance also, no? Balance brought down, balance carried down. Yeah. Balance brought down, balance carried down. What is the amount?
1 lakh and 1,50,000.
1 lakh and 1,50,000. Yes. Now come to the question and see. What are the items to be recorded there? Share capital we have to record there or not?
No.
Then second item, 14% debentures. Recorded or not?
Premium.
Something related to debentures will be recorded. What is that?
Premium on redemption.
Yes. So premium on redemption. 10%. No? What is the amount?
20,000.
20,000. 20,000. That is over. Next item. This is over. P&L account is over.
General reserve.
General reserve. What is that? Transfer to?
General reserve.
Transfer to general reserve. How much?
50,000.
50,000. That is over. Creditors eduko. Current liability.
No, no.
No, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Proposed dividend. Nothing is said about proposed dividend. So which amount comes in adjusted profit and loss account? Pay ചെയ്ത പൈസയാണോ അതോ proposed dividend for current year ആണോ?
Previous year.
Adjusted P&L account.
Current year 1,80,000.
1,20,000 will appear or 1,80,000 will appear?
1,80,000.
1,80,000 will appear in the adjusted profit and loss account. What about 1,20,000? കഴിഞ്ഞ കൊല്ലത്തെ provision ഇക്കൊല്ലം this year?
Application of
Application. So in adjusted P&L account, 1,80,000. This year's provision will appear. Proposed dividend 1,80,000. Right.
80,000. Yes.
Next one.
Provision for tax.
Provision for taxation. Which amount will appear? 1 ആണോ 1,30,000 ആണോ അതോ something? Yeah. ഏത് amount appear ആവുക? Which amount?
170.
1,70,000. After preparing the account, that is why we are preparing that account. Provision for tax. 1,70,000. Provision for tax is also over. Next one. Come to the question and see.
Debentures.
Debentures?
Ah.
Premium on redemption ആണോ?
Depreciation.
Depreciation. So depreciation. So let me ask you, what is your opinion regarding buildings? It is very silent about any adjustment. Building എടുത്ത് നോക്കിക്കേ, എന്തെങ്കിലും അതിൽ പറയുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Nothing.
So if the question is silent regarding any assets, any fixed assets, you have to take that difference amount as depreciation. Is it clear?
Yes.
In the question about machinery, it is telling about some adjustments. So not an issue. But when it comes to buildings, 8 lakh became 7,60,000. They are not stating how it happened. So we have to deem it as depreciation. So we have two depreciation in this question. Depreciation of
Buildings and machinery.
building and machinery. Depreciation of building, how much?
40,000.
Depreciation of machinery, how much?
Machinery 60,000. 60,000.
60,000. So, right, depreciation 40,000 plus 60,000. How much?
1 lakh.
This 1 lakh. Next item. Any other items on the debit side?
No.
What about credit side?
Profit on sale of
Yes. What was that?
profit on sale of that machinery.
Profit on sale of machinery. How much?
50.
Profit on sale of machine. 50,000. Now it is over. Now your task is to find out.
Fund from operation.
Yes. Please find out. What is the total?
6,70,000.
Yes. 6,70,000.
Five lakh 520.
520,000. Clear.
Yes.
So we got fund from operation also. Shall we just complete this fund flow statement?
Yes, sir.
Can I take your 7 minutes? Shall I?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So after getting fund from, thank you all. After getting fund from operation, what happens? We'll be preparing the fund flow statement. 2 parts: sources and application of fund. Sources means funds coming inside our organization.
Sir, ഒന്നുകൂടെ adjusted ചെയ്യാനുള്ള നിൽക്കോ?
Yes. Adjusted ഏത് ഇതാ നിനക്ക് ഡൗട്ട് വരുന്നത്?
അല്ല, ഞാൻ അത് എഴുതി ലാസ്റ്റ് എമൗണ്ട് ഒന്ന്
Which
കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ്.
കിട്ടിയോ?
കിട്ടി. ഓക്കെ.
അങ്ങനെ എഴുതുന്നതിനും എന്തെങ്കിലും മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ? Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
ഇത് വെറുതെ നോക്കി എഴുതിയിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല കേട്ടോ, നിങ്ങൾ കൊടുക്കും ലാസ്റ്റിൽ. Just understand the logic, that's it. After preparing all these fund flow statement problems, I'll give you certain tips. There are some, see, what is that? Some check marks that you can see once a question is received. Certain facts about questions. We'll discuss that. So now moving to sources and application of fund. Yes. So start with,
Share capital.
what is there? 12 lakh became 15 lakhs. That means
Issue
of
share capital.
shares. What is the amount? 12 or 15. That means
3 lakh.
so it became 3 lakh. Right.
Yes.
Next one.
Debentures.
Debentures, what happened?
A redemption.
Redemption with adjustment is also there. So what is the amount? Redemption of debentures. Application, redemption of debentures. Redemption amount at 2 lakh plus
20,000.
20,000. That is premium, 10% premium. Become 2,20,000. That is clear. Profit and loss account vero.
No.
General reserve.
No.
Creditors.
No.
Proposed dividend. Yes.
Payment of dividend.
1,20,000 or 1,80,000?
1,20,000.
Yes. Last year proposed dividend will become this year paid. That is why it will appear in
Application of fund.
payment of dividend. 1,20,000. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Provision for tax.
Payment of tax.
That paid amount will appear. Where can you see? Where can you find this paid amount?
Adjustment.
Adjustment. What is the amount?
1,40,000.
1,40,000.
1,40,000. Regarding tax, you have to see. Payment of tax. How much?
40,000.
1,40,000. So this is also over. Come to buildings. If no adjustments or it is silent regarding some fixed assets, you have to treat it as
Depreciation.
depreciation. So any items related to buildings will appear? It will not
No.
appear.
No.
Coming to machinery, yes. We prepared an account, right?
Yes.
Come to that account and see, is there any sale or purchase?
Purchase.
Rendu ille.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But the 3,60,000 it is purchase, that is application. Sale of
Application.
machine 1,30,000, that is source.
Yes.
Source. So you have to write sale of machine. How much? 1,30,000. Purchase of machine 3,60,000. Next item. Without this, source of fund or fund flow statement
Fund
is not
from
there.
operation.
Fund from
From
operation. What is the amount?
5,20,000.
It is 5,20,000. So machinery is over and all the things are over. ഇതൊന്നും വരില്ല ട്ടോ. Why? These are current assets.
Current.
And we have mentioned this one, all these things we have mentioned. Now your procedure, the next procedure, total it. Total the two things. What is the total of source of funds? 3 plus 130, 300 plus 130 plus 520.
9,50,000.
9,50,000. What about application? 220 plus 120 plus 140 plus 360.
8,40,000.
Net increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Eh?
Increase.
Yes. What is the amount?
110. 1,10,000.
Have you seen this amount anywhere?
Yes.
Same thing, no? Right?
Yes, sir.
If anyone is not able to understand the logic, please contact me or once again see this video from Moodle and please contact me for doubts. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I'm not taking much of your time.